Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have 15 euro session. Hola, boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Okay, vamos começar. Let's start. Start with this multi-bonus. In the first game, we're looking for 2 prizes. Gonna use this Enjoy My World coin because I miss her. 2 prizes. 50 10 1000 50 50,000 5 of course. Here matching number. If I uncover the symbol star, estrela in Portuguese, and if I can find a match here, multiply by 5 times. Looking for 14, 32, 17, 31, 13, 33, oh Lord, 22, 29. No, of course I don't see the 5x because I didn't find a match here. We're looking for gold bar, lingote in Portuguese, color, and treasure chest. So we're looking for money bag. Nada. Okay, so there's no win in this ticket. Let's go to sorte set. Lucky 7 in English. Okay, I have to complete there are 9 games in this ticket. Jugo no. Game 1, 2, game 9. 54, 42. 54, 54, 42, 19, 53, 19, 53, in Portuguese number, 24, 33, 24, 33, 9, 44, 44, 9, 51, 29, 51, 29, 32, 31, 32, 31, 39, 34, 34, 34, 39, 34. I think I missed a lot of numbers. 45, 37, 37, 45, 47, 35, 55, 12. There's 37, 55, 12. 12. Where's the 55? Nothing. What? Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, so ticket number 17 is not a winner. Let's go to ticket number 16. 24, 22. 22, 22. 38, 46. 46, 38, 43, 6. 6, 6, 43. 32, 17, 17, 37, ano? Oh Lord, Jessica, 17 na, 37, 17, 17, 32, 17, 32, not 37, oh Lord, 31, 53, 31, 53, 30, 52, 30, 52, 51, 54, 51, 54, 54, 37, okay, 37, here, 21, 21, 54, no, 19, no, 18, 19, 2, 19, 2, 2, no, 39, not a winner, what? It's a winner, it's F. Where is it's a winner, guys, but I don't know where. It's two the same letters. But where? Oh Lord. 39? No. 4. No. 24. 24, 34. 8. 41. No. 55. 1. There's 1. There's no 1 also. Where is the win? 11. 18. 2. Jesus. Where's the win, guys? 39? No. 4, 33. 4, 33. This is a winner because two the same letters. 24, 34. No. 8. My husband kept calling. That's why I'm out of focus. 55. No. 2. Where's the win here? 22. My phone keeps stopping, guys. So there's 24 here. Where's 34? 34, no. No, 4, no, 33. Where's the win here? 39. There's no 39. So this is not a winner. No 4, no 33. No 34. Am I right? No 34. 8, 41. No. 55. There's no 55. Where is the win here? 1. There's no 1 also. Jesus. Where is the win? 11. There's 11. There's no 11 also. So ito. Oh Lord, it takes forever. 22? Ah, there is 22 here. Oh Lord, sika. So this is a winner. Letter F. What's letter F? I hope it's a nice win. F. F is 10? It's not. F is not 10, guys. Sure? So F is 10. Okay, so my phone keeps stopping. I don't know why my phone keeps stopping, guys. So I think it's 10 euro. I will double check. If there's more wins, I come back. But I think not. Okay, so F is 10 euro. Okay, so I got 10 euro out of 15 euro session, guys. So 2 losing tickets and 1 winning tickets. Okay? Okay. Sorry, guys, my phone keeps stopping. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.